Good morning students. Cardiac cycle. The event that occurs at the beginning of the heartbeat and lasted until the beginning of the next beat is called cardiac cycle. It lasts for the 0.8 seconds. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. It is very important. Totally 5 phases are there. What will happen in the cardiac cycle? First phase, ventricular diastole. Okay, the pressure of the auricle increases than the ventricular pressure. So AV means walls are open while the semilunar walls are closed. Blood flows from the auricle into the ventricle passively. Okay, phase 2 is the atrial systole. The atrial contract while the ventricles are still relax. The contraction of the auricles pushes maximum volume of the blood to the ventricle until they reach the end diastolic volume. Okay, EDV. EDV. What is the meaning of the EDV? It is a cardiac muscle fiber. So it is that it is helpful for the stretched and greater than the stroke volume. Okay, phase 3 is the isovolumetric contraction. Okay, volumetric, automatically it will be happen. So the ventricle contraction forces the AV wall to close and increase the pressure inside the ventricle. The blood is then pumped from the ventricle into the aorta without changing in the size of the muscle fiber and ventricle chamber. Okay, so next phase is the fourth phase. It's a ventricular ejection. So it will happen in the ventricular systole. Increased ventricular pressure force of the semilunar walls to open and blood is eject out of the ventricle without the backflow of blood. The point is the end of the systole volume. That is a ESV. Phase 5, the ventricular begin of relaxed pressure in the atrius exceed ventricular pressure, resulting in the closure of the semilunar walls. The heart return to phase 1 of the cardiac cycle. Okay, so next we go for the cardiac output. It is nothing but it is a what is a synovial valve, that is a SV. Okay, so the cardiac output CO. HR means heart rate. So pulse pressure is equal to the systolic pressure minus diastolic pressures. That is only cardiac output. Okay, so stroke volume means SV. So CO means what is that? Cardiac output. Okay, HR means what? Heart rate. Okay, so SV means stroke volume. So stroke volume represents the difference between the EDV. That is what is the meaning of the EDV? It is a diastole EDV. Volume of the blood remaining in the ventricle after contraction we are getting according to the Frank of the Starling law. Based on that law, who is the Starling? He is the law of the heart. The critical factor controlling SV is the degree to which the cardiac muscle cells are stretched just before end day contracts. The most important factor stretching cardiac muscle in the amount of blood returning to the heart. So here heart pumping action normally made in the balance between the cardiac output. So each side they can fail independently and that it will be happen from the cardiac muscles. Okay, when the blood volume drop down appropriately means what happened in the stroke volume means, so that what will increase or decrease means the answer is when volume will be dropped down appropriately. It is minimize that. What happened in the stroke volume? It will be decrease. It will be increased. That is the answer. So note down that. And the next electrocardiogram, it is an important question. Blood pressure is the normal only. How the normal blood pressure is 120/80. Systole, diastole, there are two is there. What is the diastole pressure and systolic pressure? That you only want to know that. Systolic pressure is the pressure in the arterial of the chamber of the heart contract. Okay, so already we are studying the blood pressure in the sphygmanometer in the practical class, that same only. So what is the baroreceptor reflection function? So every morning you get out of the bed and you have the gravitation force distribute, the stand the gravity, it will be decrease or some blood pressure. So upon the standing of the orthotic hypotension is be happen. So if you are running or jumping or if you are receive any news or happy news or sad news, that time also the blood pressure it is a trigger and it will be reflect that. Okay, so it is increase in the cardiac output and increase the peripheral results. So together increase them in the atrial pressure. Okay, so next class important question we have to discuss. Okay, thank you students.